Hello, it's Miranda. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing more slime. It's the same recipe, but adding in the beads and stuff, okay? So you're going to take your bowl and your glue. You're going to add your glue in. Try to get as much glue as you can. Okay. Now what you're going to do is, if you think there's still glue in there, add a little bit of water, not much. Put the cap on. Shake, shake, shake. And this makes the glue get off of the sides and stuff. And then you just pour it in. It doesn't hurt the slime, especially if it's only a little. Okay, after that, it's your choice if you want to use shaving cream or not. You don't have to. I'm just going to add a little bit because the other slime I did had shaving cream in it. Okay, this one I'm going to be doing a greenish color, and yes, I'm using nail polish, but it won't hurt to use something else. So if you got food coloring, if you got something else. Okay, and then I'm also going to make it glittery. You can add actual glitter. It doesn't matter. My actual glitter is out. But yeah, you can add whatever you want to it. Okay? Okay, after you're done adding that, you're gonna mix. Okay, and because of the type of green, it made a blue green, but that's fine. See, you mix it until the color is right. You can add more shaving cream. If you have more glue, you can add more glue. It does not matter, okay? But I don't want to make this fluffy. Okay. So that's what you do. Okay, now it's time to add the foam thing. Okay, I'm using the ones with letters. I'm only going to add in a little bit to make it crunchy. You can add more after you add in the Tide. It's just that you don't want it that much when you add in the Tide, but then it makes it stick a lot better. I mean, you can even add it after the Tide, but I like doing it before. That way it actually sticks in. Okay. So now, you're going to take your Tide. I pour it into the cap so it's easier. This time I'm going to use the spoon because it's easy. You're going to add just a regular spoon, a spoonful. Okay? Like that much. You're going to pour it in. And you're going to start mixing. Okay, it's going to turn into slime now. And yes, it is going to be liquidy and sticky. But that's how it is. Okay? Like this. Okay? You want to add in just a little bit more Tide. That way it gets thicker so you can pick it up and it won't be as sticky. Okay. Now, before you do this, I recommend, like, I literally would say, put Tide in your hand every single time. Okay? That's why you have to be careful. Okay? Put Tide in your hands. Okay? You're going to pick the spoon up. You're going to take it off the spoon. Okay? Yes, it is going to stick to your hands. Okay? You're going to set the spoon aside. You know that Tide you put on your hands? That comes in handy now. Okay? Just a little bit more. Ready? Here, pick it up. Okay? We might have to start out with a little bit at a time. Because I didn't put as much fluffy slime in it. Or more shaving cream. Yeah, you see? Shit. Okay, you might have to get your Tide thing dirty. And that's fine. That's why you put it in the cap. Okay, and then I recommend to be very careful because it does stick to your clothes. Just be very, very careful. You're just gonna knead. Okay. Yes, and this batch is getting all over the place. I mean, that's fine. Some people leave it in the bowl for a little bit longer, only because of this issue. This is actually the first time I've had this issue, and yes, I got it all over me. That's why I said I recommend you to either wear clothes that you don't want or like, or put a towel or something, because it does get messy. just gonna knead. Okay. See it now? I wouldn't add no more Tide. I mean, I would. That's up to you. Just knead with it. And to get it off your hands, you move fast. Okay. Now there still is more slime in the bowl, and that's only because of the mess I got made after I'm done doing this one. I'll get the rest out of the bowl.
Know that she bad, but she claim that she good. Straight from New York with a boogie.